Hello, dear students. Welcome back to our online class. Hope all of you are well and continue your studies according to the instruction of our honorable teachers. This is Mominul Islam, Assistant Teacher, Square High School and College. This class is for Standard 6, Subject English Second Part. Today's topics article will discuss on uses of the. So let's start. To use article in our practical life, you have to memorize some rules or you must have some indication uses article in the sentences. So let's see some rules about the using of article the. Rule 1. To indicate a particular persons or things, you have to use the. Let's see the example. Look at the picture. I saw the boy playing in the field. She wants the golden time to be successful in life. Here, picture, boy, golden time indicates the particular things. For that reason, we have to use there the very article the. Let's see the next rule. Before a noun that has become definite by mentioning before, then you have to use the very article the. That's mean when same noun is used second time in a sentence or paragraph, you have to use the before the second time using article. Let's see the example, then you will be more clear. I saw an apple on the table. Mother gave me the apple. Here at first noun article is used, but second time when the apple is used, then we have to use the very article the. Next, let's see the next example. There was a tree at the corner of the village. The tree was an oak. Here also the tree mentioned in the second time. For that reason we use here the very article the. Before a singular noun that represents a whole class, you have to use there the very article the. Let's see the example. The cow is a useful animal. The rose is the sweetest of all flowers. Here, cow and rose indicates or represent the whole class. For that reason, we use here the very article the. I think you are clear. Let's see the next rule. Before a name of a thing which only one exists in nature. That's mean the things which only one existence in the nature, you have to use the very article the before such kinds of nouns or names. Let's see the example. The sun rises in the east. The earth moves around the sun. Here, sun, earth are only one exist in the nature. For that reason, we use here the very article the. Before a noun denoting nation or race, you have to use the very article the. Let's see the example. The English are industrious. The Bengalis are intelligent. Here, English and Bengalis indicates nation or race. For that reason, we use here article the. I think you are clear. Let's see the next rule. Before the name of a road, you have to use the very article the, but not before the name of a street or avenue. That means when the very word road will be used, then you have to use the article the. If they are used street or avenue, you should not use the, you have to use their cross. Let's see the example. They lived beside the Abdul Hamid Road. Here the very word road is mentioned. For that reason we used the very article the. I bought this book from College Street. Here College Street, here the very word street is mentioned. So here there will be no article. Let's see the next rule. Rule 7. Before some nouns to indicate the name of a professions, then you have to use article the. Let's see the example. Her father joined the bar. He joined the church. Here bar and church indicates the name of a profession. For that reason here will be the article the. As a general rule, a proper noun should not have any article before it, but the following take the before them as exceptions. That's mean generally we know that there will be no article before a proper noun, but there are some proper noun where always you have to use the very article the as exceptions. Let's see such kinds of some exceptional proper nouns. Names of the holy books: the Holy Quran, the Bible. Names of the article, the daily names of the newspapers, the Daily Star, the Anand Bazar. Names of ships, the Titanic, the MV Akbar. At the same way, names of the famous buildings, names of rivers, names of sea and oceans, names of mountain trains, names of the group of islands, names of desert, names of the directions. All these proper noun you have to use the. I think you are clear. Let's see the next rule. Before ordinal numbers you have to use article the, but not in cardinal number. Let's see. The 16 December is a red letter day in our country. He is the first boy in the class. Here 16 and first are ordinal number. So we have to use the very article the before the ordinal number. Before the names of a province having a descriptive geographical meaning, you have to use article the. How? Let's see the example. The Punjab, the Duncan. Here's the two place and name has a geographical meaning. For that reason we use here the very article the. Before the names of our countries which are collectively formed the. That's mean the country name which have collectively formed. For that reason we have to use the article the. Let's see the example. They live in the USA. USA means United States of America. I like to visit the UK. UK means United Kingdom. Here USA and UK has the collectively formed. For that reason we use the article the. Before a common noun as a substitute for the possessive adjective, then you have to use the before such kinds of common noun, because common noun used here as the possessive adjective. For that reason we use their article the. He caught me by the arms. He pulled the cat by the tail. Here arms and tail substitute for the possessive adjective. For that reason we use here the article the. So this is for today. In our previous class and our today's class we discussed on the use of the article a, an, and the. Now practice yourselves of the following gaps using the proper article. You have to submit your copies. I will check your copies. If you face any difficulties, you can ask me. Thanks a lot. Remain safe and sound. Goodbye.